Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin, and today on Dashandrun we're doing another one of my microphone reviews. And if you've watched some of my previous videos, you've noticed that I have a bit of a fan following for microphones, and recently I saw this particular model. Now, I haven't really looked at any Audio-Technica microphones before, and this particular one, as you can see here, is basically AT9946CM, and it's for DSLR cameras, and it's a stereo microphone. So basically what I want to do in this video is have a bit of a look at what you get in the box and the features it's got, and then give you a bit of an audio test. Anyway, let's get it out the box and have a bit of a closer look. So the first thing out the box is basically just some basic paperwork. This basically tells you how to dispose of it and is probably kind of like a warranty card. Now, the actual manual for the microphone is actually on the back of the box, which I'll just show you now. So basically this is your manual for operating the microphone, and it's included on the back of the box, so they don't actually give you a separate bit of paper for that. Next, they give you a wind sock, or a wombat as sometimes it's called over here, or a dead cat, and basically this is to help dampen the sound of wind noise and rustling noise on your microphone. And it's good they've included one of these, because sometimes you have to pay extra for that. And finally, we've got the microphone itself, and as you can see, it's got a fairly long cable, not too long. I mean, it is attached to the microphone, where some microphones I've had in the past you can change the cable and put different lengths. This one's actually fixed onto the microphone. On the bottom you've got your shoe mount, which is pretty good, but again that's fixed, you can't take that off. And then it's got this sort of rubberized sort of cross section here, which is designed to dampen the sound and give you some movement and flexibility. On the back you've got basically one switch, which is the cut-off roll-off switch basically for the sound, and it looks like there's some sound ports here to pick up the sound, being that this is a stereo microphone. Also, it's a kind of an unusual looking microphone. It's not your standard looking microphone. And the other thing too is it takes power from the camera itself. It doesn't require a battery, so that's kind of neat. So it's a bit like one of the Rode microphones that I've looked at in the past. Anyway, what we want to do next is basically do a bit of a sound test. But before we do that, I'll just get this windsock thing, and we'll just see how well that fits on. So basically it seems to slide in like so, and then it just clicks over. And so now that's with the windsock on, so you can see what it looks like. Anyway, let's go and do a bit of a sound test and see what that sounds like. Okay, so we're back here, and I basically now have got the Audio-Technica microphone mounted to the camera. And so what I thought I'd do is kind of like what I normally do, is an unboxing video. So I'm talking from behind. Now if I go to the sides, you'll probably hear that I get louder. Now this is a stereo microphone, so it should pick up sound all around. So basically what I want to do is just do a mini unboxing. So this toy recently was sent to me, and it's a little cat toy, and it comes from Toys R Us, and it's a little battery operated mouse, and it's supposed to make your cat want to chase it. And I'll show you later what happened when I actually tried to entice my cat with it. So anyway, this is just so you can hear the quality of this microphone, and also give you an idea if it's something you want to use on your camera for recording audio and stereo. So let's get this thing out the box. So basically, I take it out like so, and if we have a bit of a closer look at it, and I'm just going to move around too so the sound will travel around a little bit, you can see that this is not very big, and basically has a little housing for a battery. Now it has a little switch on this side, and when you switch it on it makes this vibrating noise, and it's got a little LED light in the front for the nose. And so if you put it on like this piece of surface here, which is a cardboard surface I've got here, because it doesn't seem to work on carpet, it'll actually move around. And the idea is to make your cat want to chase it. And if you've got like lino or a sort of a wooden surface floor, it will go mad chasing after it. It didn't actually work with my cats, so I'll show you that what happened at the end of this video. But we'll go back to this microphone and we'll wrap this video up. Well, there you go. There's my look at this Audio-Technica microphone, and overall it's not a bad microphone. It's not a very expensive one, and it might be a good alternative to one of the Rode microphones if you're in the market for a microphone for your camera for doing filming, and also the fact that it's stereo. So overall I quite like it. The quality of the build isn't too bad, and the design of it is kind of rather unique, so it it might turn a few heads when they see something unusual like that on the top of your camera. And of course, having the windsock included in the kit is quite a nice feature as well. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.